This house is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hey, 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 Facebook family, Tami Goodwin here, and I am back again over in Crystal Lake Golf and Country Club. I am showing this exquisite executive home in a cul-de-sac on the golf course with a lake view. It's gorgeous. It's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 4,400 square feet on just the first 2 floors. There is a huge unfinished basement, which is over 2,000 square feet that can still be finished. And you're going to see it's got, the ceilings are high down there, so you'll be able to keep the high ceilings. This house is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to take a look. We're going to go in. Let's go. So this is the front porch. And yes, the front porch is done with concrete. It's gorgeous on both sides, and I love it because it's shaded. We're going to go in and see how tall these doors are. Now we've stepped in to the front door of this beautiful home. To the left I have here. Now what you're going to notice, this home has a lot of trim, a lot of just beautiful ornate things going on. First of all, you're going to see a lot of Coffert ceilings, which is beautiful. And then you have here, you have the plantation shutters, which are awesome, on the front of the house. So this is your dining room, and there's the stairs that go up, and over to the right is the living room. And of course, there again, we have the Coffert ceiling. Some people back in the day, they called it a living room. Today, it's not a living room. People use it as an office. People use it as a flex space. People put a piano in it to make it a room where it's just a viewing room. People use it as a conversational room. They put chairs in there and they set them up so that when people are there and they're talking, that they're engaging. So that room can flex and be whatever you want it to be. So to the right, as we come through this luxurious home, we are in the family room. So here's the kitchen. It's nice and open. Has a bar. So this is the kitchen. Love the kitchen. So let's go out. So y'all see that view? You see that view? That is not a picture. That is the Lord and his incredible work. So this is the sunroom. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go down. We're gonna go check out the unfinished basement. So the basement is unfinished, but you know what? It's got really good insulation down here because it's cool in here. It's cool. So this is one of the areas that can be made into a space. And this is one of the rooms. It's like a double room. It's huge. Here's a bedroom. It's slated out for a bedroom with a closet. Here is another room that could be a bedroom. You see the patio under the deck. They have a picnic bench under there, and they still have tons of space. So if you want to get you a nice little hot tub, you could, and put it under there. So now we're gonna go upstairs. So you guys see how beautiful this is? I mean, it is gorgeous. I am in the master bedroom. Toilet room. It's nice size. Now this is a closet. So this is Erica's favorite. Let me tell you, they put a lot of thought in this. Love this closet because it's her side and a his side. Love it. Love this bathroom. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time. I'm gonna show y'all this master bedroom one more time so y'all can see the beautiful lake view. When you wake up in this bed every morning, that is your view. Look at this. This is a media area. Let me just walk up here so y'all can see this beautiful view from here. It's still a great view. You got a view of the golf course. You can see the lake. So I love this room right here. Love, love, love it because here you have this view. You have your little Juliet balcony. This room also is gorgeous. I've taken you on a tour of the inside of the house. Now I'm gonna step outside. I have to show you guys this lake because I would not do this house justice if I didn't show you this lake. But here we are. We are at the lake. It is gorgeous. Look at it. You guys, this place is absolutely amazing, absolutely wonderful. You're getting a great house.